Yung Senate coup just this week, just on Monday, can I confirm na hindi po kayo napagsabihan na timbre about the Senate shakeup?
Hindi.
Okay.
Kasi alam siguro nila na hindi nila kami kayang makumbinsi, kaya hindi kami siguro sinabihan.
And how do you feel that yung Committee on Dangerous Drugs and Public Order was taken away from you?
Well, we have to accept the reality. Na ganun talaga. If you are with the minority, tatanggalan ka ng committee. So, okay lang sa akin. Tanggap mo na yan. Yan, nabubuhay man tayo kahit wala tayong committee na hawakan. Hindi mo natin kailangang hawak talaga ng committee. Kung may ibigay, okay, pasalamat tayo. Pero kung wala, then okay lang rin. Wala tayong problema dyan.
Senator, kanina nga nakita na natin yung glimpse nung new majority versus new minority. Paano po ba yung dynamics niyan moving forward? How would you describe the shifting parang power dito?
Well, you expect the minority na gampanan yung kanyang papel being the fiscalizer of the Senate. Gagawin po namin yung aming role sa Senado. Lalo na we are not just yung negligible minority. We are a considerable minority dahil nga siyam kami. Medyo may busis din yung siyam na yan. Hindi yan basta-bastang mababaliwala.
Anong plano niyo, sir, ngayon? So, in the minority, I mean, how are you going to work with the new majority?
Okay lang. Kung anong mga legislations dyan, anong mga measures na kailangang ipasa na para sa kabutihan, andyan kami to support. Support na kami, hindi naman kami nag-minority para haharang sa kung anong mga kagustuhan nila. Andyan kami to support, pero kung kinakailangan din na mag-fiscalize kami, kailangan rin namin maging critical about some measures, some issues, then we have to do our job. We can be critical at times, we can be supportive at times. Yan po ang papel namin. Basta fight lang, hanggat andyan kami, fight lang.
So no hard feelings? So no hard feelings? No hard feelings?
No hard feelings. No hard feelings.
Okay.
Okay lang.